Hey Neighbor Foodies, it's Will
and Courtney
from NeighborFoodblog.com with another great recipe for you today.
Today we have a really simple air fryer chicken thigh recipe. This is one of our new family favorites because it's super easy and quick. Plus, if you like crispy chicken skin, this is the recipe for you.
All right, to start with, we've got a package of 4 skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. We really like these because they're just the right portion for our family for dinner, and they fit in the air fryer pretty well. The skin on is important because then you get that real crispy chicken skin that we're talking about. Oh, this crispy skin.
Yeah.
So we have taken these out of the package and we have patted them dry with a paper towel. Now they're just sitting here on a cutting board, and I'm gonna hit them real quick with some non-stick cooking spray before we season them.
Yep. You can use non-stick cooking spray or you can use olive oil, whichever you prefer. You do not need a lot of oil for these at all. This is mostly so that they don't stick in the air fryer, and it gives something for the seasoning to stick to. Today I'm gonna be using our favorite chicken seasoning.
What is this beautiful, delicious chicken seasoning, pray tell?
This is a blend of salt and pepper plus a couple dried herbs and spices. It has just a little bit of heat. We really, really like this on chicken and other meats as well.
And you can find the recipe for this awesome chicken seasoning at NeighborFoodblog.com.
Of course, you can also use whatever seasonings that you have on hand or that you love. Even just a little salt and pepper will do the job. I find it takes about a tablespoon of seasoning to cover 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. You can kind of pat it on a little bit to get it to stick as much as possible, and you want to do it on both sides. These are ready to go into the air fryer. So we're gonna cook them at 375 degrees for about 8 minutes, give them a flip, and then another 8 to 10 minutes. And we should have amazing, juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside chicken thighs. Our air fryer is on the smaller side, so we usually can fit 2 to 3 in here at a time. If you have a larger one, you should be able to do all 4 at once, but you do want to make sure there's plenty of space, which that's kind of the air fryer's thing. You need lots of air to circulate to give that nice crispy skin.
All right, so these are going in for 375 at about 8 minutes per side. You already said all that. We're gonna do it. So they're in there. There we go.
Woohoo!
All right, 8 minutes is up. So it's time to flip these chicken thighs over. All right, now we're gonna put them back in, same temperature, 375.
We actually went ahead and stopped the air fryer because it was done about a minute early. Nothing wrong with that. So we always recommend using a meat thermometer to check for doneness. Chicken is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. I can tell you already, this chicken looks delicious.
Yes, he's done.
All right, can you get it out for us? I will hold this for you.
There you go. You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Let's make this smooth
We'll
transition.
hold it together.
Yes. There we go. There's one.
Oh boy, these look so good.
There is 2.
Can you see that juiciness?
I can smell it. I know you guys can't, but your house will smell delicious. And you might have to just ring the dinner bell because these are ready.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us again. I'm Courtney.
And I'm Will. Check out more recipes at NeighborFoodblog.com. Bye.
Bye.
Now it's time to eat. You have to do like a physical transition.
I do.
You can't just start talking. You have to.
That's right. Got stuff in my teeth.
Man, this is wrecked.
Okay, here we go.